Good morning, kids.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Varun, Mishika, Arav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now, today we are going to start our unit. Okay, so I am going to ask you a few questions. Okay, children, right? You have to see a slideshow and then tell me what you feel about that slideshow. Okay, so I am sharing with you the slide. Can you see everyone? Thumbs up? Yes. Now, please see this picture properly. Can I go to the next slide? You need to look at this picture carefully and then you are going to reflect on it. Can you see this? Give a thumbs up if yes. That's great. This is one more picture. Yes. Now I want to ask you all, and if you are going to answer me, you are going to raise your hand. Okay. What do you see in this picture? Arav, can you unmute yourself and speak better?
Ma'am, in all these pictures, I saw one father is sitting with her daughter,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I see one 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 grandfather is doing puja of God in
Okay.
his house.
Okay. That's great. Okay. I would like Alia to tell me. Have you seen these pictures, Alia? Can you tell me what do you see in this picture?
अरे मैम ने अब तक फोटोज बताई ही नहीं.
Hello.
I can see
Uh, see.
they can see that
Alia, we cannot hear you, beta. Okay, anyone else? Yes, Varun.
uh, we see our reflection.
That's great. So, even what Arav said, okay, Arav, you can see a mirror in that, and a person is looking at himself. Okay, like as Varun said, it was a reflection of that person. But now I one more question I have for you all. What does that reflection look like for you? Any guesses? The reflection is right, right? But what do you think? What was there in the reflection? See, one picture I'll show you. Who can answer me? Yes, Varun?
Dream.
Okay, you feel it is a dream. Okay, any other? Anyone else wants to give your answer. Parikshit?
Ma'am, I want to.
Okay, Arav. Parikshit, unmute yourself. Yes, Arav, you can.
Ma'am, that was not a photo of the old lady. That was the photo of a girl.
Okay, so can I help you out, everyone? You are right. As you said, it was a girl, and other side there was a old lady. Okay, so I just want to tell you all, it's other side in the mirror. There's a young lady, and this side you can find an old person over there, the old lady. So it is just showing that when she was young she was like this. Okay. Now she has grown old. On the other side, can you see this? Even this grandpa, he was a scientist when he was young. Now he has become old. So other side, he is looking at himself. So he can find I was young and I was a scientist. He can see his old photograph. Even here. Now this grandpa, he was a pilot. He was he can see his young photo over there. This grandpa, he was a graduate when he was, that's photograph show when he got his graduation certificate. Okay. So now my next question. Okay. What it is showing about? Like one side it is their young photograph. This side it is their old age. Now tell me what does it shows? What similarity do you find? Anyone? Yes, Mishika? Mishika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the similarity between this? All the photographs?
What do you mean by similarity?
But a similarity means it's all same in all the pictures. Okay.
That old lady, first she was a lady, now she's a old lady.
Yeah, so we can see it as it has shown the growth of a person. Okay. Like now, if I talk to you all, you are now young. Okay. You are in grade 2. After few years, when I will meet you all, you'll look different, right? Because you all have grown up. Okay. So it is showing the growth of a person from one age to another. Everyone got this? Give thumbs up if yes. Everyone understood? Alia, Rashva, Varun. So my next slide. Now one more question. Okay, one more question I have for you all. Now, can you all connect it with the transdisciplinary theme shown in this picture? Can you, anyone? The day we have studied about the different transdisciplinary theme. Now, our next unit is connected with this. So, can anyone guess which theme it goes with? How you are going to connect it with? Yes, who will tell me?
I.
Okay. Yes, Alia.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, after Alia, you.
Where and place and time.
Okay, Alia feels it is where we are in place and time. Okay, but I want Arav Dubey's answer also. Arav, can you tell me? Arav, unmute yourself and can you share? Tell me
Who we are.
who we are. Now, why Arav feel it is who we are? Yes, Arav? You're right. Why?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes, Arav?
ma'am,
Yes, Varun?
how the world works.
Okay, Varun feels that how the world works. Just to remove all your confusions, I am going to tell you. Okay, we are going to study about who we are. Why? Because Alia, listen to me carefully. In where we are in place and time, we talk about different histories, different discoveries, different exploration, and people moving from one place to another. Okay, so here it talks about the growth. So can you find some growth of a person is there, or about something about yourself it is talking? Alia? So it's not where we are in place and time. Varun, you said how the world works. Now in how the world works, it is all about the exploration of the physical and material world, or of natural and human made phenomena. It's all about the science and technology. So can you connect with this picture, this theme, Varun? Hello, Varun.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you connect it with that? How the world
Yes.
works? Because it's all talking about the science, about the different changes.
Yes.
So our theme is who we are. We are going to inquire into ourselves, how all about yourself, how you are going to grow, about your human body, about your physical health, about your mental health, about your social and spiritual health. Now, in who we are, we all talk about our families, our communities, our friends, cultures, and all about human being. So when I showed you the picture of a person, when he was young, he used to look like that. Now he is old. In other side, he looks like that. So it is all about himself. So now we are going to study about who we are. So everyone understood why, how we connect our learning? Arav, am I right? Did you get that? Rashwa, give a thumbs up if yes. Now, one more question I have. Okay, so you need to raise your hand, right? I'll show you some slides and I'm going to ask you. Now, you have to guess, everyone. Okay, it's very simple. What is the name of our unit? I'm going to show you some pictures and you have to guess the name of our unit. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Here you can see the pictures of brain, lungs, large intestine, stomach, small intestine, kidney, heart, and liver. Now, my question is, anyone can tell me what will be the name of our unit? Come on, any guesses? Yes, Alia. Alia has raised her hand. Then Rashwa, I'm going to ask you. Alia, yes?
How we organize ourselves.
Baby, that is a theme. Okay, now you have to tell me the name of the unit. अभी हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? You need to tell me because I have shown you the different pictures of like brain, lungs, large intestine, stomach, small intestine, kidney,
Ma'am,
heart, and liver. So where do you find all these things? So that will be the name of our unit. Yes, Varun.
Ma'am,
Oh, ho, Arav, yes.
ma'am, human
Yes.
body.
So you all agree? Yes or no? Arav is right or no? Okay, Varun, give me your answer.
Ma'am,
Then Parikshit.
how we organize ourselves?
Baby, you need to tell me the name of the unit, not the theme now.
Brain.
Okay, Varun wants to say brain. Okay, but tell me, Varun, all these pictures come all together. Where you find them? Yes, Rashva?
In our body.
That's great, Varun.
Organ.
Where you find all these organs, Rashva?
In our body.
Inside our body, right? Everyone? Yes, Parikshit. So tell me the name of the unit. Okay, I'm giving you all to tell me the name of the unit. Arav said it's human body. Then Varun said it may be brain, but I don't agree because all together I want one name. Okay. Then Varun said our body. Rashwa is also right. He said in our body. Yes. Yes, Parikshit, unmute yourself.
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body. But Parikshit, tell me, where do you find all these organs in our body? Outside our body or inside our body?
Inside our body.
Okay, so everyone is right. So the name of our unit is going to be human body. Okay, so you all are right. So please clap for yourself. Okay, that's great. So in this, we are going to study the different body system, how it works. Okay, so we all are going to study what all organs are there in our body and how it works. Okay, so in our next lesson, that is tomorrow, we will move further. So what is the name of our unit? Human body. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Give a thumbs up.
Ma'am. Ma'am.